Dear friends, welcome all of you. Today I am going to present a new lesson from class 12 Business Studies, and the chapter name is Business Environment. Business Environment. Very important chapter. So you know very well what is environment. Environment involves lot of factors that affect us internally and externally throughout our life. Like the same, in case of business also, lot of factors are there, lot of forces are there, which controls the business, which influences the business. The totality of all that factors is known as business environment. So the factors, the forces, the people or the institution which influences a business is known as business environment. So that environment includes lot of factors came from external and internal of an organization. So let us look at the different features of business environment. First one is totality of external forces. So the business environment is the totality of lot of factors such as or forces such as economic, social, competitive, global, technological. Lot of factors are there. It's totally business environment. It is not an individual concept. It's a total of all these type of factors. And the next one is specific and general forces are included in business environment. Business environment includes specific factors such as investors, competitors, customers. Also, factors that influence in general level such as social, political, economical, legal. So some specific factors are there and general wide factors are there which influences business environment. And the next one is interrelatedness. All the factors are closely related with each and every aspect of business environment. It is not a separate one. These factors or forces are interrelated. Interrelated means all these factors are closely influencing the business environment or the business people and organization. So interrelatedness and dynamic. You know very well the meaning of the term dynamic, ever changing. Every business environment changes. It is not a static concept. It changes according to the situation, according to the change in law, according to change in technology, fashion, taste, demand, whatever may be. So it is not a static one, constant one. It is dynamic one. And next one is uncertainty. You know very well risk. Business environment is uncertain. We can't predict what is happening in between us, in our surroundings. We didn't expect this type of virus attacks all around the world. And we can't expect the natural calamities which influence the business positively or negatively. So uncertainty and complexity. Complexity in the sense it's a collection. It's a collection of different factors, totality of different factors. Business environment is a complex concept which includes lots of separate factors, economical, social, political, legal. Then it is relativity. All the factors are relative. All the factors, maybe countries, religion, but there is no what we can say. All things are depending upon the particular country, a particular region, and it will change according to that aspects, that particular country. We are not following all the aspects from foreign. We have our own aspects. So all these factors are features of business environment. And some important factors that shows why we are learning the concept of business environment. Why it is important? So just look at these points. Learning in business environment is very important. Why? Because it helps to identify the different opportunities to get very fast movement. Whenever we are aware about the different factors which influence our business, we can move very fastly by overcoming that negative factors or by analyzing the positive aspects. We can move very quickly. Then we can identify what are the threats that may be faced by our business. We can identify it by learning the concept of business. And also, we can tap, we can collect, we can make an awareness regarding the useful resources for our business development. What are the materials or maybe human or any non-material resources which are useful for our business? We can collect the information, we can gather it from the business environment, our surroundings. And learning business environment is very important on why? Because we can cope, we can adjust with the dynamic business environment, ever changing business environment. And every time, all these positive and negative factors, the awareness regarding all these factors are essential for planning, better planning and policy formulation in a business organization. Every time, the different forces or factors affecting business environment helps us to improve our business performance. Every time. Lot of experience, directly and indirectly, we are getting through day-to-day business activities. So that experience will help us to improve our performance. So remember all these points, why we are learning business environment and what are the importance of business environment. And the next topic we are going to discuss different components or dimensions of business environment. Very, very important area. We can expect analytical level questions from this area. So the first one is economic environment. Lot of factors are there, like rate of interest, inflation rate, change in income of the people, monetary policy, price level. All these factors are economic factors which have a good effect, a good influence in the business environment of a business. So remember, economic environment, lot of economic factors are there which have a good, that can create good constraint to the business. So remember economic environment or economic factors. Then social environment. Every time we have to keep a good social relationship in the organization between the society. We have to protect our values. We have to cope up with the lifestyle. We have to keep every time the customs, beliefs, literacy level. So a lot of factors are there which have. So sometimes we will purchase products depending on our customs. If the custom is against that product, we will never purchase that type of product. So lifestyle also. Some people are following still traditional forms of dressing. They will never prefer modern forms of textile items. So a lot of social factors are there which influences the business environment that comes under social environment. And the next one is, and the next business environment is technological environment. You know very well, still business people are using varieties of production technology, distribution technology, marketing technology. Now we are not following the traditional ways of production. We are moving updated with the modern technologies of production in the business environment. Then only we can compete with the other business people. So technological changes plays a very prominent role in the business environment. So whenever there is a product, quality is the first criterion. So in order to improve the quality, we have to use modern technologies of production. So people are always preferring modern and time-saving, energy-saving technologies of production. So remember the third point, technological environment, economic environment, social environment, technological environment. And the next one is political environment. You know very well, we are living in a country where democracy is the best. And political parties are controlling each and every factors that the officials. We have to obey their orders. They are creating rules and regulations. So every time change in the political situation, change in the ruling by some political party will influence the business environment. Sometimes it is positive, sometimes it will be negative. So political parties, their agendas, their laws, their rules and regulations have a dominant role in the business environment. And the last one is legal environment. Lot of aspects are related to legal environment. Governments, court judgments, administrative orders, and the rules and regulations to be followed in a particular country have a great influence in the business environment. Every time, business people have to follow all these legal constraints. They have to follow the rules and regulations framed by the government and also the judgments. They have to obey it. So, legal environment also influences the business environment. So, remember the five concepts: economic environment, social environment, political environment, and legal environment. All these have a positive impact on the business environment. And hope all these concepts are very clear. Read all the textbooks, go through all the web pages, develop your own concept. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and share my videos maximum to your friends. Enrich your knowledge and hope we will watch in the next video. And please wait for me. Thank you.